Hello everyone, welcome back to our Invest in Africa Now channel. Today we have an exciting business idea that's not only profitable, but also environmentally friendly. We're going to explore how to start an ecological coal-making business right here in Africa. Given that many people still rely on coal for cooking due to electricity issues, this is a fantastic opportunity to make a difference while making a living. Let's dive right in. Just to let you know that we are also selling these machines that you see in our video. Feel free to contact me. Check my number on the video description below. So, what exactly is ecological coal? Ecological coal, also known as biocoal or eco-coal, is made from organic waste materials like agricultural residues, sawdust, and other biomass. Unlike traditional coal, it doesn't contribute to deforestation and is much cleaner to burn, reducing carbon emissions. Today, we'll walk you through the entire process from collecting waste to producing eco-coal. Plus, we'll discuss the essential machinery you'll need and share some marketing strategies to boost your sales. The first step is collecting the right materials. You can use agricultural residues like corn stalks, coconut shells, and sawdust. These materials are often discarded as waste, so you're also helping to clean up the environment. Once you've collected enough materials, you'll need to dry them. Moisture content should be reduced to below 10%. This can be done by sun drying or using a specialized drying machine. Here are a few types of carbonization machines you can use. Traditional earth kilns. These are inexpensive and easy to construct but less efficient. Metal drum kilns. These are portable and more efficient than earth kilns. Continuous carbonization machines. These are more expensive but offer higher efficiency and automation. After carbonization, you'll get char, which needs to be ground into a fine powder. Then it's time for the briquetting process. This is where the magic happens, transforming the char powder into uniform briquettes that are easy to use. There are several briquetting machines available. Piston press, briquetting machine, good for small to medium-scale production. Screw press, briquetting machine, offers better compaction and higher quality briquettes. Hydraulic briquetting machine, ideal for larger-scale operations with consistent, high-quality output. Once the briquettes are formed, they need to be dried to remove any remaining moisture. This can be done using solar dryers or industrial drying machines. Packaging is the final step. Ensure the briquettes are packed in moisture-proof bags to keep them dry and maintain their quality. Proper packaging also makes your product more attractive to buyers. Now let's talk about marketing. Here are some strategies to help you make more sales. Local market focus. Start by targeting local markets where people still use coal for cooking. Environmental benefits. Highlight the eco-friendly benefits of your product compared to traditional coal. Partnerships. Partner with local businesses and organizations that promote sustainability. Social media. Use social media platforms to reach a wider audience. Share stories and testimonials from satisfied customers. Demonstrations. Conduct live demonstrations to show the efficiency and benefits of your eco-coal. Additionally, consider offering bulk discounts to attract larger buyers like restaurants and schools. One of the biggest challenges you might face is the initial cost of machinery. Look for grants or loans designed to support green businesses. Another challenge is educating customers about the benefits of eco-coal. Consistent marketing and demonstrations can help overcome this. Starting an ecological coal-making business in Africa is not just about making money. It's about creating a sustainable future. With the right approach and dedication, you can build a successful business that benefits both the environment and your community collection. Gather biomass, such as coconut shells, sawdust, and agricultural residues. Drying. Spread the collected materials under the sun for several days, or use a dryer if weather conditions are not favorable. Chopping. If the biomass is large, chop it into smaller pieces to make the carbonization process more efficient. Now, on to carbonization. This step converts biomass into char by heating it in the absence of oxygen. Here's a closer look at each type of carbonization method: traditional earth kilns, affordable and simple to construct, suitable for small-scale production. Metal drum kilns, more efficient and portable, ideal for medium-scale operations. Continuous carbonization machines, high initial investment, but provide consistent and large-scale production, perfect for established businesses. After carbonization, the char needs to be ground into a fine powder. This powder is then mixed with a binder, such as starch or clay, to help it hold together during the briquetting process. Let's explore some advanced briquetting machines and their benefits. Piston press briquetting machine. Affordable, ideal for small to medium operations, producing high-density briquettes. Screw press briquetting machine. Creates uniformly shaped briquettes with a smoother surface, ideal for high-end markets. Hydraulic briquetting machine. Provides the highest compaction, producing premium briquettes suitable for export. Quality control is crucial. Here are some tips to ensure your briquettes meet high standards. Uniform size and shape. Ensure briquettes are of uniform size for consistent burning. Dryness. Check moisture content. It should be below 10% for optimal burning. Strength. Briquettes should not crumble easily. They should withstand handling and transportation. Packaging is also essential. Use high-quality, moisture-proof bags with clear labeling. Include information about the eco-friendly benefits and usage instructions. To maximize your sales, let's delve into some advanced marketing strategies. Digital marketing. Create a website and use social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter to reach a wider audience. Content marketing. Write blogs, create videos, and share success stories to educate your audience about the benefits of eco-coal. Partnerships. Collaborate with NGOs, environmental groups, and government bodies to promote your product. Hold workshops and demonstrations in local communities to show the benefits and efficiency of eco-coal. Offer referral programs to incentivize your existing customers to bring in new ones. Word of mouth is a powerful tool, especially in close-knit communities. Starting and maintaining a business requires sound financial planning. Here are some tips to ensure financial sustainability. Initial investment. Consider costs for machinery, raw materials, and labor. Seek grants and loans designed for green businesses. Every business faces challenges, but with the right strategies, you can overcome them. Educate your customers about the benefits of eco-coal compared to traditional coal. Improve your logistics to ensure timely delivery and reduce costs. Innovation. Stay updated with the latest technologies and continuously innovate to improve your product quality and production efficiency. Looking towards the future, consider expanding your product line to include different sizes of briquettes for various uses or even export to international markets. Let's hear from some successful eco-coal business owners and satisfied customers. Starting my eco-coal business has been incredibly rewarding. Not only are we making profits, but we're also helping the environment and our community. I switched to eco-coal and noticed a significant difference. It's cleaner, burns longer, and it's better for our health and the environment. Starting an ecological coal-making business in Africa is a powerful way to contribute to a sustainable future while creating economic opportunities. We hope this guide has inspired and equipped you with the knowledge to get started. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified of our latest videos. Leave your comments and questions below, and we'll be happy to respond. See you next time.